Welcome back, and today we're going to be talking about a product that is not new. It's been out for a bit. It's from Autogeek's private labels, Wolfgang Fuzion Spray Wax. It's a complement to their Wolfgang paste wax, the Fuzion paste wax. That is their premium line. It's a carnauba and synthetic polymer mix, and that's their really expensive, although they've reduced the prices down. As of the filming of this, they are selling the 8-ounce pound of it for like $79. Used to be as $195, but you got a free refill, which was kind of a gimmick. And I've used that. Actually, I do use it on my car. A couple weeks ago, it got a coat of the Wolfgang Fuzion because I really like how it makes my blue paint look. And I'm not all ceramics with this like I am the Jeep Wrangler and the Ram truck. Actually, the Ram truck's got the Adams graphene spray on it. So, but I like how the Fuzion makes my car look. This Fuzion spray wax can be used dry. It can be used as a drying aid also. It says on the label. It is thicker than your typical spray wax. I've used this by itself as an experiment in the past. And I've also used it in comparison to the paste. And this actually has a pretty good durability for a spray wax. It lasted almost as long as the paste. Of course, we know carnauba-based waxes don't last as long as a synthetic or a silicone, or SiO2. Said it wrong. So we're going to do a little demo of the Fuzion spray so y'all can see what it's like. And this stuff is not cheap either for spray wax. It seems like they sell this around $39. You can see you spray it on. It's thick. It definitely has that carnauba look to it. Doesn't have a bad smell. It kind of has a sweet smell. It does look and smell different than the paste wax. The paste wax is red and it kind of has like a cherry smell to it. This does not. And you wipe this on it does not spray and wipe with a towel very easily. So I've just taken to using a foam pad on it. Wipe it on, let it dry just like you would a liquid wax. Let it dry. It doesn't take that long to dry. You can see how it's hazing up here. And it doesn't take that long. And the paste wax is one of those old school where you can wipe it on, don't have to let it dry and wipe it back off. And on an outside vehicle, I mean, it gets 4 or 5 months durability, which is because it's a hybrid. We got our Adams soft detailing towel here. It looks like this is hazed over. See, we did a swipe test. It comes right off, so now we're going to wipe it off. Comes off easy on this blue paint. So we'll try it again on some black paint because, as we know, as I say in all my videos, black paint shows everything. Anybody who's waxes and washes cars knows that. All right, so now we're going to try it on the black paint. Just put a spray on there. Wipe it in. I have used this as a drying aid before. I mean, it works, but you have to make sure you get it all off because it may streak. So you can see it hazing up. It does haze up fairly quick. Wipe right off. It does wipe off easy once it's dried. So easy to use product. I like it. The only con to it is it's a little harder to operate than your typical spray wax. And it's a little harder to apply because it's thicker. But the Fuzion products look mighty good on my blue paint. So I've had that Fuzion wax for a while. I've used it on different vehicles, but it really seems to make my blue paint glow. And I've never tried any ceramic products on this car since I've had it, but I think it makes it look pretty darn good when I use the Fuzion products on it. So this is where that you can buy this at Autogeek. You can buy it at Autopia. I think they have their own Wolfgang Car Care website. So if you're into like premium carnauba stuff, if you haven't switched all the way to ceramic yet, you may want to give this a try. These Wolfgang products, they're pricey, but they're nice. So thanks again for watching. If you like videos like this, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.